Hi, it's me again with Corel tips and tricks. I've done several videos on text-to-path and some even on text-to-path at the bottom. And somebody left me a message on one of my videos that when he does it upside down. Well, that's kind of because it's on this circle. So I thought I'd make a video instead of trying to find that one, and I'm going to add to it and make it a little bit better. So I'm going to go to text-to-path. I'm going to put it on the bottom, and you can see that it's upside down. Well, go right here and mirror it one way and the other way. So you're mirroring it horizontally and vertically. Now it's off the path, but you can take that X and it'll actually show you when you put it on that path, it'll actually show you the red line right there that it's in the middle. Now, text-to-path has always been like this. On the bottom, see how the H is too close to the T? Well, you can take your shape tool, grab this slide bar right here and slide it out and separate those two letters. So I thought I'd add to this video and make it a little bit better. We're going to make a hotkey for text-to-path instead of having to go up here. So we're going to go to Tools, Options, Customization, and we're going to go under Text, and we're going to find text-to-path. Well, you know what? You can always go up here to text, and even though it's highlighted, it's not going to be highlighted. You can click on it, and there it is right there. So then go to shortcut keys and type in a shortcut. You can't use T, you can't use P, so you have to use something you don't normally use, and I'm going to just put Q. That save setting is default, so let's try W. W is not being used. You'll just have to remember it or make your own and then assign it and then say okay. So then when we grab this text, we can hit W and it'll bring up our text-to-path. So it's a shortcut, and then just mirror it horizontally, mirror it vertically. It takes it off the path, but you can easily move it, or you can move it here by going up or down off the path. Now, when you do that, it rotates. So once you get it on your path, even if it's not straight, you can rotate it around the item. And the same thing, you can take your slide bar and move it out to make your letters more perfect. Now that's not in the center. As you can tell, and what I always do, you could grab text-to-path back and just kind of get it where it's on the center. Of course, it's taking it off the path. So just put it back on the path. And I always bring in indexing lines. Grab your indexing lines and just, so we're about the same distance off the T as we are off the H. Anyway, I hope that answered this question, and thank you for watching.